everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all have already joined the event which is coming on the 26th of August, the free event where I shall be giving you all the tips on the upcoming Amavasya, and there are two more guest speakers along with me who will be talking to you about angels, and one more person is going to talk about Akashic records. And this event is of no charges, and if you have not yet joined, then WhatsApp the team and they will add you to the event. So let's see what's stored in the cards today. I have again I think this cards I've already brought once. Okay, at a stretch a few cards came out. Break the chain. So patterns have to be broken, healing has to be done. Let's see what's the next card which has come. Warrior woman. Okay, that's these are beautiful cards. Let's keep it like this and see what it is that it's coming. Third card is another beautiful card, the deep replenishment. So now let's see what is stored in day to day. So coming to the first card, which is break the chains. Okay, so now break the chains is basically when this comes as some pattern which is going on inside you, some healing, some trauma is there where you need healing. Basically this comes when you need to heal yourself. So today is the day where you need to see what it is that you're seeking guidance from. Is it that you are looking for a change of job, you're looking for something to change in your life? Maybe seek your guru, talk to your your mentor, your guru, talk to your elders. If you don't have a guru, talk to your elder of the house and try to break this chain which is stuck inside you and which is not allowing you to grow, and it is also troubling you in a very in a very hurting way. It's actually hurting you, if I have to be very specific. Now let's see the card. Now what do you do when you break this? What happens? That is what is the next card. You're breaking it, you're working on it, so you will be able to answer something which is really stuck with you. Work on your courage, free yourself from all the fears. Don't hold yourself as as a hostage, because if you break this pattern, then you are a strong woman and you will be able to work on what you really desire, and then what you want you can manifest. Now let's see what is the third card. A deep replenishment. Maybe today you have healed your patterns, you have found out the answers. Today, end of the day, you'll find the answers and you will be able to come out of energy blockages. That is what is the whole day about. So today, wear the color blue, preferably light blue if possible. Today in the morning, what you can do is take a lamp and then put 4 spoons or 5 spoons of ghee and 4 to 5 spoons of gingerly oil in it, and inside that just put a pinch of kumkum and then play the Hanuman Chalisa and hear it, and then start your day. And I'm sure your day is going to be really good, and whatever it is that you're seeking your answers, the answers are right there and you will be happy to see the answers. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.